It's so pretty outside. It's like a small village. I'm wearing 2 layers and also socks, but it's still freezing. First and foremost, let's get buried. Please go what you want.
Elok lagi pakai ni yang ada jaketnya.
Sit down here with me. They're here for you on your TV. They are the moments. They are the moments. So come with me, give me your hand. I'll take you up to